Before I came to Islam, I used to call people to Christianity. I used to have a very bad picture about Islam and Muslims. These guys, Muslims, they are terrorists until we started doing business with a man from Egypt. We could make him a saint because he's so sweet, so nice. And I thought right away, hey, I bet I can convert him to become a Christian. But do you know what happened? One day, while I was trying to convert him, he asked us about the Bible. So I have my Bible. My father has a different Bible. The Catholic has another Bible. And we'll sit there and try to talk to him about all this. But then we began saying, which Bible, between us. We asked him, well, how many versions, of that Quran do you have? He said, one. Just one. Well, then we had another idea. Let's talk to him about God. But when we started to talk about God, he said, can you explain Trinity? Well, we tried to explain how three could be one, but none of them really hold up very good. Do you know that when we asked him, what do you guys say about God? He said, well, it's pretty simple. He is Ahad, unique.